Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching. If you want to fix it, click here and then type Windows Update Settings. Check for updates and make sure to install the latest updates that you can find and then close it. Click here, go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and then if you find any updates, download it and then install it. And after that, close this one. Now open Task Manager and make sure to close all the applications that you don't need, and you must know what they do, of course. And then if that also doesn't fix your problem, now type here View Advanced System Settings and click Settings, and now click Adjust for best performance, then apply and OK, and your problem will be fixed. And see you in the next video.